Welcome to Smart with Points, the podcast that helps UK travellers turn their loyalty points into extraordinary journeys. I'm Jack, your host, and I have to say, I've been having far too much fun this morning diving into Virgin Atlantic's updated award charts with a calculator and what I can only describe as an unhealthy level of enthusiasm for spreadsheets. But hey, that's what you get when you combine a love of travel with a mild obsession with getting the best value from your points. Today we're taking a comprehensive look at Virgin Points flight costs, and I've also got some fantastic news for anyone listening who happens to be a Vodafone customer. Trust me, you'll want to stick around for that one. Let's start with the main event. Virgin Atlantic has just released their updated award charts, and many of you have been asking about Virgin Points valuations, so the timing couldn't be better. Now, Virgin Points can be incredibly valuable when used correctly, but like any loyalty currency, knowing how to get the best bang for your buck is crucial. The key thing to understand about Virgin Points is that they operate on a distance-based award chart system, which means the cost of your redemption depends primarily on how far you're flying rather than the specific route. This can work in your favour if you're strategic about it. For short-haul flights within Europe, you're typically looking at relatively modest point requirements, making Virgin Points a solid option for those weekend city breaks. Medium-haul flights to destinations like the Middle East or North Africa can offer decent value, especially if you're flying in premium cabins. But where Virgin Points really shine is on long-haul premium redemptions. If you're dreaming of flying upper class to destinations like New York, Los Angeles, or Hong Kong, Virgin Points can deliver exceptional value compared to paying cash for those same seats. The beauty of Virgin Points is their flexibility too. You can transfer points from various credit card programs, and they regularly run transfer bonuses that can significantly boost your points balance. Plus, Virgin's partnership with Delta opens up a massive network of redemption possibilities across the United States. Now, here's something really exciting for our Vodafone customers listening today. You can now claim free Club O2 status with small luxury hotels just by having the My Vodafone app installed. This isn't one of those empty status tiers that sounds impressive but delivers nothing. Club O2 status comes with genuine benefits that could save you real money on luxury stays. We're talking about perks like room upgrades when available, late checkout, complimentary Wi-Fi, and access to exclusive member rates. Small luxury hotels represents over 400 independent luxury properties worldwide, so this status could come in handy whether you're planning a romantic weekend in the Cotswolds or a luxury escape to the Maldives. To claim this status, simply download the My Vodafone app if you haven't already and look for the Club O2 offers section. It really is that straightforward, and there's no additional cost beyond your existing Vodafone service. I also want to mention that several valuable miles and points offers are approaching their deadlines. The landscape of credit card bonuses and transfer promotions moves quickly, so I'd encourage you to check our forum's daily chat thread for the latest discussions on these time-sensitive deals. Speaking of our forum, we've recently added a daily chat thread feature where our community shares real-time updates, asks questions, and discusses the latest opportunities in the miles and points world. It's become an incredibly valuable resource, and I love seeing the collaborative spirit of our community helping each other maximize their travel rewards. That's all for today's episode. I hope this deep dive into Virgin Points has given you some valuable insights for your next award booking. Remember, the key to success in the miles and points game is staying informed, being strategic, and most importantly, actually using those points for the trips that matter to you. Thanks for listening to Smart with Points. If you enjoyed today's episode, please subscribe to the podcast on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or wherever you get your podcasts. You can also subscribe on our website at smartwithpoints.co.uk to make sure you never miss an episode. Looking for the best award flights? Use awardtravelfinder.com to search availability across Qatar Airways, British Airways, Cathay Pacific, and more. Try it for free with our link in the show notes.